Good morning. We're going to do another walking tour today. Today, we're going to go to Botero Plaza. Maybe do some shopping, hopefully try some new food, and have a look around, have a good time. We're going to take the metro for about 3 stops, and from there, it will be all walking. Thanks for joining me. To ride the metro here, you get a card like this. You refill the card here at the booth, then you just swipe it as you go in. 20, por favor. Gracias.
Come on, man. Medellin.
Gracias, amigo. This is the walkway to Potero from the San Antonio station. I wasn't quite expecting this. No, I'm just going to Botero Plaza.
Botero Plaza.
Yeah, sí, sí.
3 squares ahead.
Okay. Gracias, amigo. ¿Cuánto pero Hugo?
2,000 and 4,000. This
Okay.
is with fruit.
What kind of fruit is that?
Mango.
Mango? Okay, and this is what kind of juice?
See, sugar cane.
Sugar. Oh my gosh. I love sugarcane juice. Thank you so much. Thank you. You can't imagine my excitement at finding sugarcane juice here. Those 50 cents. Empanadas. Okay, I'm just looking for a small backpack here. So ¿cuánto cuesta esto?
70,000.
70?
70,000 pesos.
Sí.
It's very good price.
This one's 60,000, this one's 70,000. Gracias. ¿Qué es esto?
Va a probar.
Jalea.
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 De pata de ganado. De vaca. Grábenlo, grábenlo.
Muy interesante.
Para que lo pruebe. No, sí, para que lo pruebe.
Maní. Okay, we're gonna give this a try. See what we got here. It's stringy. But I'm still not sure what it is. Look, that's why I need a napkin. Gracias. So we're trying some new things. Still don't know what they are. Oh, and there's sugarcane juice. That's his press. So he's pressing it fresh. Papaya, bananas.
Va a llevar grandes.
Hola. ¿Qué jugo?
Todo bien. Dios lo bendiga. Vea.
Gracias, amigo. Let's get that. All right. Hasta luego. Hola. Buenas tardes.
Buenas tardes.
¿Qué es esto?
Butifarras,
Butifarlos.
chorizo
Chorizo, sí.
y salchichones.
Antichones, chorizos, y antichones. Here we open up to a little church here. Some meat skewers there. I think that's a potato and meat and bread on that. Somebody said if you don't see the fat statues, you didn't make it to Botero. Well, we found the fat statues, so we must have found Botero. Hola. ¿Cómo es? Oh, it's okay. So this is for pain, dolor, para dolor. Sí. ¿Qué es esto?
Para dolores, hierbas. Para dolores, hierbas.
Herbs. Okay. Gracias, amigo. Hasta luego. ¿Te gusta tu sombrero? There's another fat statue. This one of a horse. Mangoes. As you can see, Colombia, at least Medellin, is open. Lots of people out and about. This is a weekday. More fat statues. This might be my favorite because I have one at home. It's the fat cat statue. I have a fat cat, not a statue.
Potero.
Un momento, es por...
No entender.
Sí.
Vivimos en Medellín.
Yeah. Sí.
Pena. Somos tímidos.
En su casa puede hacer lo que a ti le parezca, destruir lo que sea. Aleluya.
Come instead. Sit down. Bien.
Bienvenidos a Medellín.
Hasta luego. Gracias. Okay, which backpack are we gonna get? It's very hot, so they brought me some water. That's nice of them. Trying to find a backpack here. Just something to carry around during the day. I've got my travel backpack, but I need something smaller just to carry my camera and battery bank and stuff like that.
Texas.
Yeah.
I'm from Medellin. My coworker.
Yeah.
My coworker Helen.
Helen.
My coworker.
Hola, Helen. Gracias. So I got a new backpack. This will get me around, carry my stuff during the day. Gracias.
Spanish. Practice in Spanish. Con mucho gusto.
Con mucho gusto.
Gracias.
Gracias.
Con mucho gusto. Nice. Okay.
Hasta luego. Bead art, just like in Mexico, or similar anyways. Okay, so we got this. This is bread on the end, pork, and papas. So let's give it a try. There's barbecue pork. The pork is great. Good grilled pork. The bread's usually kind of flavorless here, so we'll see. The bread's okay. Hola. Yeah, all right. Wait. Okay, listo. Hasta luego. Okay, the bread wasn't bad. The pork's amazing. The potato honestly just tastes kind of like a roasted potato or something, but it's all good.
Hoy también a mi peso bien fría. Hoy también fría, Coca-Cola a mi. Coca-Cola a mi peso. Hoy también a mi peso bien fría. Hoy también a mi peso bien fría.
Bienvenido a la Vega Los Gines, los
Hoy también fría, Coca-Cola a mi. Hoy Coca-Cola a mi peso. Coca-Cola a mi.
another shopping center. This one's 2 levels at least. There are rows and rows of these shopping centers in this area. And we didn't go through any of them today. I might have to come back and do a little more exploring in this area. I love it. Swimming pools and Christmas trees side by side. Okay. It's a mask for the Colombian soccer. So I got to get a Colombian mask. Why not? I was going to get a shirt too at some point because they dig their soccer here. All right. So he sprayed everything for me here with the spray. See, very sanitary. I just loaded a motorcycle into this little local bus. Prepared for everything. There's more popcorn. Now he's putting the ramp back on. Colombian poncho, but I don't need a poncho because it's very warm here to me. Gracias. No quiero. Gracias. Hasta luego. Okay, guys, I'm just about to my apartment. I appreciate you spending your time with me. I know there's lots of places you can spend your time, and I appreciate you sharing some of it with me. So, till next time, I hope your day is filled with joy, good food, and a little bit of adventure. Take care. KS? Gracias.